Food is a universal language, and talking about it in English can be both fun and delicious. Let's dive into some tasty vocabulary. When you're at a restaurant, you might say, "I'd like to order the grilled salmon with a side of asparagus." Notice how grilled describes the cooking method, and asparagus is a fancy vegetable that adds color to your plate. If you're discussing your favorite meals, you could say, "I love Italian food, especially pizza with fresh basil and mozzarella." Here, fresh basil adds a burst of flavor, while mozzarella gives that creamy texture we all crave. When sharing recipes, try saying, "To make a smoothie, blend bananas, spinach, and almond milk." This not only tells someone how to make it, but also introduces healthy ingredients. Remember, using descriptive words makes your conversations about food more engaging. So next time you talk about what you eat, don't hold back. Let your taste buds do the talking.